Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error in your squad game. Let's begin. First, open Steam Client, and over here, click on or hover to Community, choose Workshop, right? Then on the search bar, type Squad, and then select Squad, or hit Enter. Next, go to Browse and choose Subscribed Items. Now over here, make sure to unsubscribe for any add-ons that are currently appearing in this section. Now once done, I want you to go back to your library section. And for example, this is Squads. You can right-click on it, Properties, Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. It will scan for any corrupted or missing files in your games. And once done, Steam will automatically reacquire those for you. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.